Maendeleo Democratic Party, and we filed an application, and our understanding was that Mr. Mkoko was to be heard today. I wonder if you could take that into account also. Maendeleo Democratic Party.
Which petition?
Which petition is that?
It was not here a petition, it was a motion application.
In which matter? In which matter?
It was being joined in the
Is it cohort 2 or cohort 1?
E565 of 2024. Maendeleo Democratic Party.
My Lord, that's not a party in both cohort 1 and cohort 2.
Maendeleo Democratic Party is not a party in any of the two cohorts. It's not a party in any of the two cohorts.
I see.
Okay, Mr. Amoke.
May I say something again? That's all right.
But Dr. Khaminwa, you know you appear in cohort 1 in your own right.
Yes.
Remember that. So if you want to submit in your own right, we will allow you. But for the person you are holding whose brief, you don't appear to see where he
I
is.
think Ashford himself, I don't know.
Just look for him so that he can prosecute his case. But in the meantime, let's have Mr. Omoke.
One final word, my Lord. My Lord, I like being human, and I like taking care of the interests of the judges when they are sitting. You are human. Why don't we adjourn tomorrow?
Dr. Khaminwa, please.
Being human. I
it's
know
okay. We are very human.
All that I'm saying, can we start tomorrow?
Let's have Mr.
My Lord, I think the cat is coming now out of the bag.
Mr. Omoke, you have 5 minutes.
What's cut now?
All right, Your Lordship, if I may proceed, I would like to indicate that I support